Is your Kichler fan remote unresponsive? This is a common problem with simple solutions. Let's walk through the basic troubleshooting steps to get your remote working again. First, check the basics. Ensure the wall switch controlling your fan is turned on. Also, verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. These simple power issues are often overlooked but can prevent your remote from working. Next, check your remote's range. Stay within 10 to 20 feet of the fan for testing. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the fan receiver. Walls, furniture, or other obstacles can interfere with the signal. Dead batteries are the most common cause of remote problems. Remove the old batteries and replace them with fresh ones. Pay careful attention to the polarity markings. Make sure the positive and negative ends are correctly aligned. After installing new batteries, test if the remote's indicator light illuminates when you press a button. Finally, try power cycling the fan. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for 30 to 60 seconds, then restore it. This simple reset can resolve many communication issues between the remote and fan receiver. After the power is restored, test your remote to see if it's working. These basic troubleshooting steps solve most remote control issues. If your remote still isn't working after trying these solutions, you may need more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting fails, your Kichler fan remote may need repairing or frequency adjustment. The pairing process varies significantly between different fan models. For DC motor fans, the pairing process is straightforward. Press and hold the airflow direction button on your remote until the light kit blinks twice, or the fan makes a quarter turn if there's no light kit. AC motor fans use dip switches for frequency settings. These small switches must match between your remote and the fan's receiver. Check under the battery cover of your remote and behind the fan canopy for the receiver. If your original remote cannot be repaired, universal ceiling fan remotes offer an excellent alternative. Ensure the universal remote is compatible with Kichler fans and follow the manufacturer's pairing instructions. For modern smart home integration, consider the Bond Bridge device. This hub allows you to control your Kichler fan through smartphone apps and voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, even when your original remote fails. If these advanced fixes don't resolve your issue, it's time to contact Kichler customer support or consult a qualified electrician. They can provide model-specific guidance or identify electrical issues that require professional attention.